Hello, my name is Jonathan Molina. I work for the school accounts currently. I actually started working for Bravo a couple years back when I got the opportunity to work residential security, and I just really liked the camaraderie. The team was very friendly, very welcoming, and they started showing me all they knew and started building me up. I think Bravo just sets the standards. They're very disciplined, and that's something that I really look for in a company. The fact that they're a Christian company really makes it for me because I am a Christian. It aligns with my ideals. I think for me the biggest part is integrity. I grew up Christian, and so integrity always played a big part. So when I heard that Bravo was a Christian company, I knew for sure that that was going to play a big aspect in the company. I think Bravo has really brought me out of my shell. I was very reserved when I first started, and they really helped me see the customer service side of what we do, and they are very devoted to when it comes to training, which is what we're doing right now, taking the time to actually invest in us and make sure that we are the best at what we do.